What if all phones suddenly stopped working? It's a normal day. Your phone's in your hand. You're scrolling or chatting. You're about to send your friend a reel of a dancing cat. Suddenly, your phone shuts off. You press the power button. Nothing. You plug in the charger. Still nothing. You head out to take your phone to a repair shop. Wait a second. Why is it so crowded here? You move closer, and you realize you're not alone. Everyone's phone is off. And worse than that, no one can fix them. You go back home, worried. You turn on the TV.
Breaking news! In a strange incident, all smartphones around the world have stopped working. Phone manufacturing companies have not yet identified the reason behind this event. People are confused and don't know what's going on. We demand that governments solve this problem as quickly as possible.
The next day, you wake up. You go outside. In the city, people are irritated, nervous, aggressive. You go to a store to buy something. On the door, it says, "Cash only. Card payment systems are down." You rush to the bank to withdraw cash. A huge crowd has gathered outside. A few people are fighting. Suddenly, an announcement comes from the loudspeaker.
Cash supplies have run out. Please wait until the government prints new money.
On your way back home, you see several cars that are lost. Each one is holding a paper map. Someone yells,
"Where even is this street?"
You arrive home. The TV is still on. The news anchor says,
Unprecedented chaos has spread across the world. Due to the loss of phone communications, the number of accidents, criminal incidents, and casualties has risen sharply.
You go outside again. Wait, why is it so crowded here? What happened?
There's been an accident. No one can call an ambulance.
Someone needs to take the injured to the hospital.
The car doors won't open, and we can't call the fire department either. A house caught fire this morning. We couldn't do anything.
You walk back home upset. On the way, you see people stealing from a store, and no one can call the police. You get home and turn on the TV.
Breaking news! Shares of mobile and software companies have crashed. The cryptocurrency market has seen a heavy collapse. The global economy has slowed to its weakest state. Millions of people have lost their job.
You sit on the bed. You're bored. Suddenly, you hear a knock at the door. It's your friend. You sit together. You talk about what's been happening. Some time passes. You run out of things to say. No reels, no stories, no social media. It's like your mind is empty. A few months later, you wake up in the morning. You're no longer addicted to your phone. Real connections are stronger. Family visits happen more often. You go outside. There's a public phone on the corner. Everyone carries cash. Kids are playing in the street. The world is quieter. But one question still stays in your mind. How much did phones make our lives easier, and how dangerous can their absence be? Do you think phones shutting down would make the world better or worse? Write your opinion in the comments. And if you like this kind of video, subscribe.